Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nuralita Chandra Dewi from Accounting 3B. I will present my final project proposal, calculation of cost of production using the process costing method on CVSA. Structure of presentation. Point 1, background. Point 2, formulation of the problem. Point 3, research objective and benefit. Next, literature review. Next, research method. Next, rating system. Background. Globalization brings big change. The fact that it must fail in competition in economic activity to obtain large profit. An accurate calculation of the cost of production is needed. CVSA is a company engaged in the manufacture of shoes. CVSA is located at Diponegoro number 47 Salatiga. CVSA uses the main raw material is leather, which will later be processed into shoes that are ready to be sold to customers. In calculating the cost of production, CVSA is obtained for 25% of the selling price. Therefore, CVSA has not tried the calculation of the cost of production actual because labor cost, raw material cost, factory overhead costs have not been explained in detail. Therefore, the research determined the title of this study with the title Calculation of Cost of Production using the Process Costing Method on CVSA. Formulation of the problem. Number 1. How to calculate the cost of production using the process costing method in March 2022 on CVSA. Number 2. How does the calculation of the cost of good manufacture compare with the process cost of good method in March 2022 at CVSA with the calculation of the cost of good manufacture by CVSA. Research objective and benefit. Number 1. Knowing the calculation of the cost of production with the method of process cost of good in March at CVSA. Number 2. Knowing the difference in the calculation of the cost of production in CVSA with the process cost method. Next is benefit. Number 1. As a decision consideration to the company manager in determining the cost of production method. Number 2. Adding insight to the researcher about the cost of production using the process costing method. Number 3. Adding reference for Semarang State Polytechnic student, especially student of the D3 Accounting student program on related topic. Literature revenue. The point is 1. Definition of cost. 2. Cost accounting. 3. Cost classification. 4. Cost of goods sold. Next, process cost method. And the last, cost of production report. Research method. Research method is the main method used by researchers to achieve goal and determine an answer to the problem posed. Data clarification. Data clarification. Type of data by source. Number 1. Primary and secondary. Type of data by their natural, quantitative, and qualitative. Data collection technique. Number 1. Interview. Interview is the process of collecting data or information face to face between the interviewer to interview answering. Number 2, observation is a data collection technique by observing ongoing activity. Number 3, documentation study is a technique of collection data by collection and analyzing document. Writing technique. There are 2 points. Number 1, descriptive. Number 2, exposition. Writing system. Bab 1 is introducing. Bab 2 is literature review. Bab 3 is research method. Bab 4 is result and discussion. Bab 5 is closing. That's my presentation. Thanks for watching.